This is the BUGA SPHERE case, a metal orb that fell from the sky in BUGA, Colombia. It appeared over early March 2025, hovered, then descended vertically. 2 witnesses filmed it flying and landing. The sphere is about 50 centimeters in diameter. It weighed 2 kilograms at recovery and inexplicably rose to 10 kilograms later. Its surface shows no welds or seams, no screws, no joints. Experts call it a single-piece construct. Under X-ray and CT scans, it reveals 3 concentric metal layers. Inside are 16 to 18 microspheres, arranged around a dense core. In April 2025, a mysterious metallic sphere measuring about 50 centimeters in diameter was seen over BUGA, Colombia. 2 people, from separate vantage points, filmed the spherical object in the sky. Its movements were irregular. It moved up and down. Then the unexpected happened. The sphere approached. It descended fully. Witnesses say its motion became erratic. Then it fell to the ground. The fall followed an electric discharge. It passed near high-voltage power line. Locals found the sphere. They took it home. Initially, it weighed around 2 kilograms. Over time, its weight changed. Some scales later showed nearly 10 kilograms. When they examined it, they found engravings on its surface. The markings looked like moons and triangles. At the center, they found what seemed a chip. It had more than 10 terminals. A video shared on social media shows something even stranger. A woman pours water over the sphere. The water evaporates instantly, as if the object generated extreme heat. Yet it felt cold to the touch. When heat was applied, the sphere did not warm up. The circular object seems to have a belt. That belt has multiple holes. Initial studies suggest a joint should exist there, but no welds were identified. Radiologist Jose Luis Velasquez performed an X-ray exam. The results revealed something unsettling. The artifact is a single piece. There are no visible seams. Inside, it contains 16 microspheres. They are arranged around a central core. Some experts criticized flaws in the engraved symbol. They say that if the object were truly advanced, why are some lines uneven? The first images sparked massive interest on social media. Mexican journalist and researcher Jaime Milcin saw them. He immediately traveled to Colombia to examine the object. He called it the Sphere of BUGA. He linked it to beings from other worlds. This discovery drove Milcin to take the sphere to Mexico. He plans to move it later to the United States. He hopes scientists in specialized labs there can confirm or dismiss a non-human origin. This case recalls another one from November 26, 2024. It happened at Manchester Airport, England. A spherical craft the size of a small car descended at about 27 kilometers per hour. It stopped all airport activity. The object hovered a few centimeters above the runway. Then it rose again. The images were taken by a pilot inside a commercial plane. He posted them on a private account. Minutes later, he was told to delete them, but other users leaked the photos. Captain Bigelow published the pictures. His colleague filmed the descent, too. He ruled out a weather balloon or drone. But this isn't the only case. Go back to 2018 in Peru. Several metallic spheres fell from the sky. Peru's National Commission for Aerospace Research displayed 4 metallic spheres. They fell on January 27, 2018, in southern Puno. Researcher Walter Guevara spoke for the commission. He said initial investigations show a Russian or Ukrainian origin. 3 spheres were medium-sized. 1 was smaller. They landed in a rural area. It was over 13 kilometers south of Lima, near the Bolivian border. He said they might be rocket stages that fell unexpectedly. Shortly after, the commission located a 5th similar sphere in Puno. They planned to transfer it to Lima. Another case occurred in January 2016 in Vietnam. 2 strange metallic spheres impacted separate locations. UK's Metro reported 1 fell in remote land in Chu Vien Quang province. A smaller one landed in a garden in Yên province. One witness said, "The sky was clear. Suddenly, we heard a thunder-like noise. The spheres were removed by the military. Nobody explained what happened. There are many spheres that have intrigued researchers. One of the oldest is the mysterious BUGA Sphere. It's a metal sphere about 20 centimeters in diameter. It weighs around 20 kilograms. It fell in 1974 near Fort George Island, Florida. Some U.S. military persuaded the Betts family to allow analysis. Eventually, the sphere was moved to the Naval Air Station in Jacksonville. Experts began evaluating it. In the 1960s, American astrophysicist and ufologist J. Allen Hynek reported a stainless steel ball found in Brazil. It contained pure magnesium. Could all these spheres be related? Are they mere space debris, espionage devices, or evidence of non-human beings?